Well, my name is Delano Fraser, otherwise known as Corie. I'm from Mandeville, been racing like forever, from in the 90s. Retired for a while and my friends give me cars to drive, so I'm here driving and winning. I've been racing from in the 90s. I had my first Honda Civic in about 1996, and Vernon Field was always there, and I was always there on a Sunday. Unfortunately, we don't have that anymore, but thanks for Jamwest. Big up Jamwest team and Kenty Racing. We're all having fun again, and we have to support them. And big up 876 Street Stuff. As I say, I started racing in the 90s, and at that time, I don't quite remember if there was a sanctioned event, but eventually there was NDRC, and we started participating at those events, because as you get older, you get more responsible, and you know that racing on the road is dangerous. So I tried to be at the sanctioned events and try to influence my friends to follow suit, and we all started racing, which is the right place to do it. Over the years, when we started back in the day at Vernon Field at unofficial events, we always had Chuko. Back in the day, Chuko used to drive FX, I think, and there was Little T, Xavier Mori, all of us, but it was like a Mandeville versus the rest of the island. So we all used to link up, and it followed through to the sanctioned events. We're all good friends. You know, every now and then there's rivalry and feelings scary when a man get hurt, but we patch up real quick and we're back to friendship and we just keep racing. Currently, I'd say biggest rivals I have now, well, Ansman is my brethren, but from the last event, we had quite a weird final, so we have to have a rematch of that, grudge match or otherwise, and foot anywhere. Anywhere.
Why? You me want about better.
You have a run for foot. So, Antsman is one of them Van Velocity and brethren again.
Ready. Anytime I'm ready, we're ready.
Kevin Edwards.
Well, me and Delano have a little thing to sort out, man.
Listen, there are so many of us in 11 second. I don't know about no other class, but I know 11 second class is the hottest class.
Delano, me and your friend still, but yeah, make it 916, you know, me I go give it to you.
Yo, Spoon. Spoon. Me and Spoon go way back. If Spoon remember me convinced if we got turbocharged, you know, because Spoon was an all-motor man back in the days. So we have been at it from Vernon Field. Last time I buck him up, him get nervous and I cut him out time close. I remember, kick out his teeth. I'm not buck him up back since, but I hope you have a Jamwest in the brother, because your teeth will get kicked out again. This is a 99 Civic owned by Brian Stewart, aka Braggy, from Santa Cruz. Good brethren of mine. He's been in the karting for many years. I don't think he's in the driving thing too much though, because that's why I'm here. But there's a K20 turbocharged motor, make around 840 I believe. But we have to turn it down for racing because it has too much power, thanks to Lizard, Laws Racing, the big man in Mandeville. So it's fun to drive, what can I say? Alright, this is, as I said, is a K20 motor. Pretty much have all the necessary goodies for probably making maybe 1,000 horsepower. Ultra Skunk racing take, Bagwana, believe 369, you know, pistons and rods, 8 injectors, radium fuel surge tank with 3 pumps in it. It's like, it can handle anything you throw at it. So it's a very, very good and well put together machine. ECU is a AM Infinity, and I believe it's a 8H or something like that. It can handle 8 injectors. The biggest issue we usually have with most of the cars that I drive is too much power. So we always face to probably turn on the power to even run better times. I mean, there's technology now that's capable of controlling that, traction control and boost by gear and all of that. But unfortunately for me, the owners of my car haven't reached that point yet, so I have to make do with what I can. Best quarter time for this car, I believe is 11.2. That was a race with Kevin in the Escort. But there was a video of the actual race. If you notice the footage, I actually backed off the gas and brake at the finish line. So I know I could have been probably run a 10 second, but I would have broken out. So that's why I eased up. But I know this car, all out, could probably run maybe 10.6, 10.7. And if it has traction control, and bear in mind that the power was turned down for that race. So all out, I'm sure it could probably run low 10s. The fastest time overall I've ever run is not in this car actually. It's another EK Civic that I raced. A good friend of mine owned that car, Fargo from Mandeville Motec. That car, best time, I think it was 10.8 at both Jamwest and Vernon Field. Okay, I hope to achieve a majority win for most of the events. I know there's 5 events for the year, I believe. I've already won the first one, so if I can win at least 2 more. I don't think there's a championship series in KNT racing, but I know that if that was the case, I would have been a champion. Just like at the Vernon Field series. I was a champion for 11 seconds the previous year. And I hope to do that and also have my car at probably July meet my personal car. I've been working on a project for years. Everybody knows, my friends know about it, so I'll still be driving other cars, so I just want to enjoy my car too. All right, for drag rivals too, boy, me they look hot, that's all I can say.
Hot, daddy!
Threat to throw all directions. The person don't get no whole heap of threat yet.
Why? You me want.
Why me and Delano have a little thing to sort out, man?
Delano, me and your friend still, but yeah, make it 9:16, you know, me go give it to you.
Them know say once you're there, it will be an event to remember. And of course, I expect to win. So anybody who on the line with me, we're a friend right up until the line go green, and brother. You're dead. That's all I can say. Yeah, I call in the owner of the car, you know. Braggy, come in. Where you going with gas, brother?
Yo, I really think this way I do, bro.
Oh, forget to stop using 85.
Yeah.
Sorry, boss. Are you are the boss? You know?
Yeah.
I want to sponsor them for your machine now.
Oh, okay, I will for sponsor them, you know. Alright, but you have GearX overseas. Jeff, big up yourself. You have Luke, TH Motorsports, always there. And you have Stewart's Water and what again? You have
Lizard, Laws. And you want to big up the tuner too, you know. Can't left out Lance,
yes, man,
the general.
Yeah,
man, so
yes.
we have
big up yourself too.
What, me and the driver?
Yeah, you just sponsor one or 2 things still in the boat. You know,
Oh, you remember?
That's cool, man.
How yourself? Because I can't have a drive, you know, so it have to make a race. So if you need something, it have to go on it.
Yeah, free, but no, I leave out, nobody's still in the boat. Who will leave out? You know
Big up on yourself.
Yeah, big up yourself, you know yourself, but
yeah, man. I want all our fans them come out, come represent, because KNT racing thing, we have to make sure say, yo, it happens.
yeah, KNT, this KNT.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
trust
and
me.
blue tires again.
Oh, wow.
Yo, holy
Enough sponsor you have, General.
Yeah, man, I hold it, man,
All right, boss.
Man.
I hear the man.
Yeah. Ah, you had 7 lad.
876.
Big up on ourselves. Yes, straight, sir.
All right, boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Braggy, who are the biggest person who want to chop up a Jamwest, brother?
You know what?
You have to tell me how you know. Are you a car?
You're a boy. Mr. Ant.
Jesus.
Yes, Mr. Ant.
You know the
finals.
Oh.
Mr. Ant.
Now where you say?
You are going now. Mr. Ant. Look out.
Yo, man,
Mr. Ant.
you man can't spare for your hands. No, sir. I see him camp still now. I want the people them do, you know. I see him last racing, but you know when race time come, a different thing.
Mr. Ant.
Look, let me get one 5 print. What on there?
Come in, Braggy. Come in. I know you don't love the camera, but come in. No, here I don't know. You have fight 198, you don't know 98. Yeah, man, I right one this one. Come in. I want back me if you care, but I forget. You know no spray there, Lizzie. Yeah, man, hands there, so too. But, no, I know we are going to do the thing. Yeah, people, I have one last thing to say. 31st March, Jamwest Rivals 2. That's what it name. I don't know what it name, I don't remember what it name, but all I know, racing are go hot. When you come out, come support Kenty Racing and be out in the numbers, carry the whole family because it's a family event. You can enjoy yourself and we're here to put on a show. And I know me one of the entire racing fraternity that going to be there. Big up Kenty Racing, big up 876 Street, big up Laws, big up Braggy for your bad car.